Use care when removing the HMI lamp from the package. It is recommended to wear clean gloves when handling the lamp, as accidental skin contact can deposit oils or dirt on the quartz, which can lead to early lamp failure. Use only a well-maintained fixture and corresponding ballast. Prior to inserting the HMI lamp, inspect the lamp holder for any signs of tarnish or corrosion, as this will compromise the electrical connection and lead to premature lamp failures. In case of accidental contact, use the included cleaning cloth with gloves to wipe down the quartz before use. If not available, use a clean paper towel with rubbing alcohol. After inserting the HMI lamp, verify that it is fully seated in the lamp holder all the way. Use cable guides and always check the placement of the wires to prevent risk of arcing between the cable and the fixture components. Make sure the lamp is fully seated in the lamp holder and securely fastened. Be careful not to over-tighten the lamp holder, as it may damage the lamp. Install double-ended HMI lamps with the exhaust tip pointing up and within 45 degrees of vertical. This will prevent the metal halides from condensing in the exhaust tip area when the lamp cools between uses. Check the power on the ballast before startup to ensure it is configured for full power. Do not start the lamp at a lower power. Always allow the lamps to come up to full temperature before shutting the fixture off. Between use, store and transport the lamps in the original OSRAM packaging. Don't install lamps with visible damages like bulging, blackening, strong devitrification, broken shafts, loose burner inside the outer bulb, etc. Don't install lamps with a higher wattage than the fixture is rated for. Don't transport the lamps inside the fixture. Don't use lamps beyond their average rated lifetime.